Sarkar. So recently I got the Nai Naveli Dulan and the Sautan of Kantabai, Mrs. Shantabai.
Shantabai. Shantabai. Shantabai. Shantabai.
That is the Xpulse Rally Edition, or currently known as the Xpulse Pro. So this video will be broken into 3 points. Why? Why did I choose Xpulse as my second bike? How is my experience till now? And what are the mods I'm gonna do? Let's start with why. Basically, as of now, I'm super interested into off-road dirt riding. I recently started visiting dirt parks. I did some off-road training, and it has been one large to my chuttad experience, matlab kick-ass experience. Also, I'm bored with this weekly weekend breakfast ride. Just go to breakfast ride, straight road, eat food, come back. It's fun, but I've been doing it for many years. Yes, those quarterly overnighter rides are much more fun. थोड़ा मसाला डालने का, थोड़ा fresh रखने का, थोड़ा कुछ नया सीखने का. And that is why I came to the conclusion that I want to pick up a off-road proficient motorcycle. And my options were the KTM Adventure Series, Himalayan, and the Xpulse. I've already done trails on Himalayan. I didn't feel that great on the bike. I don't know how exactly to explain it, but the khad feeling didn't go with me. Nothing wrong with it. Super motorcycle Himalayan. मेरा vibe इसके साथ बैठ नहीं पाया. Next was the KTM Adventure Series. Yes, people will say it's not a proficient off-road motorcycle, but I know people who kill it off-road with showroom condition KTM Adventures. And the plus point about that motorcycle is the good highway speed. But then I already have a KTM. I know the pain and fun of owning a KTM, and one is more than enough. So मेरे को KTM से थोड़ा दूर है. Also, one of the important point was I want to own a motorcycle that is cheaper to maintain. Therefore comes Hero's Xpulse Rally Edition. In the Indian market, the best off-road machine. Also cheaper to maintain. Beat service, beat part, beat fuel efficiency, cheap as fuck. Lighter than any bike in the market, and which actually helps in making your basics strong. And when it comes to riding off-road, your basics should be strong. It's not about how fast you can go. And the kind of performance that Xpulse provide is more than enough for off-road, especially for a newbie like me. And there are people who are pros and are still on Xpulse. Then it comes to why did I go with the Xpulse Standard Edition? I did ride the Standard Edition motorcycle. It was a good motorcycle, but I didn't feel that great on that motorcycle. I felt something is missing. That's when I was able to test ride a Pro Edition, the Rally Edition. The day I test rode it, I fell in love with Shantabai. Aur rishta pakka. Now let's come to the part 2 of the motorcycle. How is my experience till now on the motorcycle? I have done only 500 kilometers on the motorcycle till now, and the experience till now has been mostly positive. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Hey elephant! What is an Xpulse or the Xpulse Rally Edition or the Pro Edition? It's a normal standard Xpulse with the Rally kit, excluding the Novi tires. That's what Rally Edition is. Hathi ko goli maro, bring in the Mammoth now, which is the height of the motorcycle. Yes, this bike is like a Qutub Minar, and that's how a dirt bike usually are. If you're putting both the feet down, I am proper tiptoeing. But that's not how you ride a dirt bike. You need to add one more step when you're standing on this motorcycle. That is, you need to move around your body. When you're doing off-road, you're always moving. You're not sitting in one position and riding the motorcycle. You're always moving, standing, sitting, moving your butt left, right, center. So same thing applies when you are still on this motorcycle. You need to move sideways, sit on your thighs, keep one leg up and flat foot with the other one. Simple. It's not that difficult. I will say I was a little, scared when I got the motorcycle, but I did one day practice. I'm so used to it. I'm going around the city. I have to stop. I always move on the thigh, one foot down, other foot on the bike. Easy peasy. People get scared for no reason. It glides over plot holes. It glides over hump. When I see a hump, I'm going towards the hump. Bike is tall, so you're able to look way ahead. Especially when you're standing, you can look all the way ahead. You can see the circumference of the earth. That's too much. I'll do a proper while riding in the city experience very soon. Let's talk about the highway. On highway, I'm able to maintain a speed of 90 to 100. Not bad. 90, the engine is not very stressed. 100, little bit stressed, but not redlining. I was able to maintain a 100 speed without any issue. Good enough highway speed to go towards a trail or go towards a dirt park. If you are touring on it, some people might get bored on it. Now comes to the off-road part. I have not done much off-road on it. Frankly, I didn't get time till now. But yes, I've been doing practices and all near my society. I've been doing balancing, standing up and riding motorcycles, making the basics strong basically. Let's come to the last part of this video, which is what mod I'm gonna do on the motorcycle. For now, I've added the Barkbusters and TT, which was already on my Kantabai 790. I moved it here. I'm gonna use Shantabai mostly for my breakfast ride and also on track. Also, I've added a tug strap on the rear, for which we had to remove the grab rails. Also, the major mods in the future will be only performance oriented, making the bike lighter and improving the usage of Shantabai by using Fuel X, free flow exhaust, all those jazz. That's all for now. Let me know in the comment section if you want more videos on Shantabai. Sarkar, इसी के साथ पापा निकलते हैं. I will see you guys in the next video.
On the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town. Without the helmet